Hi guys, it's Taylor here with MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. Today I'm standing on a 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. Beautiful boat, has a giant swim platform in the back. Comes with a IO 200 horsepower Mercruiser. Stepping down in the boat here, all snap-in sea deck. Giant cooler area right there, also storage. Does have bolster seating so you can see over the dash if you want. 5-inch Simrad, that'll have your GPS, depth finder. Also has your engine information on there as well. Fusion stereo system. Glove box or cooler right there. More storage under here. Does seat 10 people. And then a lot of room up front with storage under both of those seats as well. So if you have any questions, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com. Thanks.